Hi guys, HikGuru here. I hope you are all well. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to play back footage on Hik-Connect, how to play back a motion event, and how to save footage directly to your phone. First off, let's jump onto Hik-Connect. Now in the top left corner you've got the manual playback button. Go ahead and tap on that. Now we are going to choose our playback date, followed by our playback time. We're then going to choose which camera we would like to play back. Once selected, just hit Start Playback at the bottom. You can move the blue time bar at the bottom to advance time. You can pinch your screen to zoom in and out. On this little menu here, you can select the playback speed, 2 times, 4 times, 8 times to go quicker. You've also got the video camera icon. If you press that, it highlights in red. This means it is now recording the footage. Once you're done recording, press it again and it will save to the app. The camera icon next to it is to take a screenshot. On the far left you've got a download button. This is another way to save footage, although I prefer the method just mentioned. It's going to give you a 2-minute clip from your start time. You can then shorten the video if you'd like to, then hit download. Once downloaded, we're going to hit the back button in the top left corner until we're back at the home screen. We're then going to tap on More in the bottom right corner, followed by Pictures and Videos at the top. You can then see here we've got our video that we saved. Tap on it, and from here you can watch it. If you click on the floppy disk, it will save it directly to your phone's photo gallery. You've also got the share button if you wanted to forward it via WhatsApp or email. Let's head back to the home screen, so back, Hik-Connect in the bottom left. Now I'm going to show you how to do a motion event playback. All you're going to do is click on the notification at the bottom. This will bring up a list of events. Tap on an event you wish to look at. Tap on playback. This will show you a few seconds before it was triggered. Again here you can see the camera and video camera icons should you wish to save this footage to your phone. Same thing again, press the button, it highlights in red. Once you're done, press it again, then head over to Pictures and Videos, and there it is. And that is all there is to it guys. I hope this video helped you. Check out our other videos if you are stuck with something else, or comment down below if you want something more specific. Remember to like and subscribe. Take care, bye bye.